All right, so example 4, we're going to find the vertical asymptotes. First thing, let's go ahead and let's practice our domain. Because we're building to where we're going to end up graphing them anyways, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our domain. How do we find the domain? Yeah, your denominator cannot equal 0. What's my denominator here? X squared minus 1. So we're solving for x squared. So x squared cannot equal 1. Take the square root. What's the square root of 1? What was the square root of 1? Good, plus or minus 1. Which if you need your number line, you don't have to draw the number line if you don't need it, guys. Alright, so we know it's open circles, a -1 and +1. And so what is my domain? Neg infinity to -1, union -1 to 1, and union 1 to infinity. Alright, so once you find your domain, you're going to go back up to your function and see, can you factor it? Well, if you factor it, the only thing you can factor is the bottom. That's the difference of squares. Or you could have actually done this before you did your domain, but you can't cancel until after. Does anything cancel? No, right? So that means, we talked about, even though they didn't ask about it, wholes. Wholes, remember, are your canceled factors of the denominator. Nothing canceled, so there's no wholes, which means the vertical asymptotes are the uncanceled factors of the denominator. Well, which ones did not cancel? The x plus 1 and the x minus 1. Neither one canceled, right? So subtract the 1 and add the 1. And so vertical asymptotes at -1 and at +1, which is really what this one was asking for. Notice, though, your vertical asymptotes were the restrictions of the domain, weren't they? Because none of them canceled out.